I have always been fascinated by gyroscope. Maybe an alien spaceship or portal could be opened with gyroscope. Maybe my weird imagination or an idea. For today, I just wanted to try to build a gyroscope out of Lego. After lots of trials, I could make this version. It has a gear ratio of 41.6, that is 3 gear sets 40 versus 8, 40 versus 24, and 40 versus 8, which means I could maximum make it run approx 42 times the motor speed. Going any higher, drain the battery in seconds even before the gyro could reach an expected speed. You can see the gyro maintains its orientation when tilted. I even tried to have 2 levels of independent gyros stacked and connected, though I couldn't make it stay for long. Probably the speed wasn't enough, or vibration in both the discs were too high to sustain for long. Before I try that, I need to work on setting up to use LEGO 4548 instead of battery pack for constant supply. My next step is to place it on the dancing platform I built earlier. Watch my next video.